In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating and selecting different hosting plans with Hostinger. To get started first, head over to their homepage. You can easily access this by entering hpanel.hostinger.com into your web browser. This is where the main dashboard of your Hostinger account is located, and you'll find a wealth of options and tools to manage your web hosting needs. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper section of the dashboard to find a tab labeled Websites. Clicking on this will bring up a detailed view of all the website-related options available under your Hostinger account. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of what you can do with your hosting service, whether it be creating a new site, managing an existing one, or exploring new possibilities. Within the Websites area, you should see an option labeled Get New Hosting Plan. This is where you can explore the various hosting services that Hostinger offers. Whether you're building a single website or managing multiple projects, Hostinger has a variety of plans designed to meet different needs. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific hosting plans available. We'll start with the Single Web Hosting option. This plan is ideal for individuals or small businesses looking to host a single website without a lot of traffic or storage demands. It's a simple and cost-effective solution that includes just what you need to get your site up and running smoothly. Next, consider the Premium Web Hosting plan. If you're managing a growing website or expecting an increase in traffic, this option might be for you. It provides more resources and features, suitable for more robust business needs. It supports multiple websites, offers more SSD space, and comes with a few extra perks you might find useful. If your business requirements go beyond that, you may want to click on the Business Web Hosting option. This is where things start getting more serious. This plan offers even more resources, including increased speed and processing power, which is great for websites expecting heavy daily traffic. Additionally, it often includes more advanced security features and support. Moving on, the Cloud Hosting option is most suitable if you're looking for reliability and performance. Hostinger's cloud hosting offerings are designed to give you the benefits of dedicated hosting at a fraction of the cost. Cloud hosting typically provides enhanced performance and greater uptime reliability, which can be crucial for high-demand websites. Finally, for those who may be managing websites for multiple clients, the Agency Hosting plan could be the best choice. It's tailored to meet the needs of agencies managing numerous client websites from one place, offering flexibility and scalability. With this plan, you'll get access to premium support and enhanced control features. By understanding these options, choosing the right hosting plan for your specific needs becomes a lot easier. Hopefully, this guide has given you a clear overview of how to navigate Hostinger's hosting options and find just what you need to succeed online.